Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. From here we have to go into the profile menu. Now scroll down, tap on settings. And here under the device settings, we have notifications. If you tap on this, then we can turn on notifications that we want to receive, or next to it, if we tap on the line, we get the same thing. We can just turn on one of these and then tap on allow notifications. We can do the reverse of this to disable all of them. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.